Everyone ignored the hungry kitten, except one boy who had almost nothing. He was poor, but his heart was rich.